Hello learners, and a warm welcome to English Practice Beginners, your calm, simple, everyday learning space where English becomes easy, slow, and friendly. Today we are starting a completely fresh lesson called Real Routine English, designed especially for A1 learners who want to build strong daily English through slow shadowing. In this session, you will learn around 80 real-life routine sentences, the kind of English people naturally use in their daily lives in the UK. But, more importantly, you will learn these sentences in a slow, steady rhythm so your mind can absorb the language without pressure. So, take a deep breath, sit comfortably, and let today's English settle into your routine like a quiet habit that grows every day. Most learners think fluency begins with big grammar or difficult vocabulary, but real fluency begins from your routine, the small actions you do every morning, afternoon, and night. When your daily sentences become smooth, your confidence becomes strong. That is why, in this session, we won't rush. We won't force fast speaking. We won't push anything heavy. Instead, we will move like a calm English stream, steady, soft, and clear, letting each line flow into your mind naturally. So, as we begin, remember to shadow each sentence slowly. Listen, pause, repeat. Don't try to sound perfect, just try to sound natural. Let us start with the morning routine, the beginning of every person's day. These sentences will help you speak about your morning clearly and confidently in real life. Every morning I open my eyes slowly. I wake up with a calm mind. I stretch my arms gently. I take a deep breath and feel awake. I sit up on my bed quietly. I check the time with a relaxed mind. I stand up slowly to start my day. I walk to the bathroom peacefully. I wash my face with cool water. I brush my teeth with care. I look at myself in the mirror confidently. I smile gently to begin my day positively. I comb my hair neatly. I drink a glass of fresh water. I make my bed properly. I prepare myself for a new day with a good mindset. Morning is the foundation of your routine. When you start calmly, your whole day becomes smoother. Now, let's move to the next part, preparing for the day. These simple actions help you build vocabulary you will use almost every single day. I choose my clothes for the day. I get dressed slowly and comfortably. I check my phone for new messages. I read the news for a few minutes. I plan my day step by step. I prepare a light breakfast. I sit and enjoy my meal quietly. I clean my plate after eating. I pack my bag for the day. I lock my door before leaving. Now your day begins outside your home, just like millions of people in the UK. Travel English is important, and these lines will help you feel confident while commuting. I walk to the bus stop calmly. I wait for the bus patiently. I check the timetable carefully. I get on the bus slowly. I greet the driver politely. I find a seat near the window. I look outside and enjoy the morning view. I listen to soft music while travelling. I think about my goals for the day. I get off the bus calmly when I reach my stop. I walk towards my workplace with confidence. I enter the building quietly and respectfully. Now let's move into the workplace or study routine, a part of life where real English is used every minute. These lines will help you express everyday activities clearly and naturally. I greet my colleagues politely. I sit at my desk and organize my things. I check my emails with full attention. I start my work slowly and steadily. I complete one task at a time. I reply to messages professionally. I join meetings with focus. I listen to others carefully. I share my ideas clearly and calmly. I help my teammates when needed. I take short breaks to relax my mind. I drink water to stay fresh. I stretch my body during breaks. I continue my tasks with new energy. I stay focused until my work is complete. Now we reach lunchtime, an important part of everyone's routine. These slow, easy lines match real UK daily English. I take my lunch break peacefully. I sit and enjoy my meal quietly. I talk to my colleagues kindly. I take a short walk after eating. I relax for a few minutes. I return to work with a fresh mind. I complete my remaining tasks. I check my schedule for tomorrow. I pack my things neatly before leaving. I say goodbye to my colleagues. I leave the building calmly. After a long day, your mind needs rest. Evening routines help build comfortable English patterns you will use every day. Shadow these slowly. I walk home peacefully. I enjoy the fresh air while walking. I unlock my door after reaching home. I change into comfortable clothes. I wash my hands and face. I drink a glass of water. I prepare a simple dinner. I eat slowly and enjoy my food. I clean my kitchen after dinner. I watch something light on TV. I talk to my family or friends. I relax on the sofa for a while. I check my phone calmly. I reply to important messages. I plan my next day quietly. Now we finish with the night routine, the last part of your daily English cycle. These lines are soft and relaxing to shadow. I tidy my room for a few minutes. I set my alarm for the next morning. I read a few pages of a book. I stretch my body lightly. I sit quietly for a moment. I think about my progress. I feel grateful for my day. I lie down on my bed peacefully. I close my eyes slowly. I fall asleep with a calm mind. Now you have shadowed around 80 real routine English sentences. Slow, clear, simple, and deep. These sentences may look small, but they build the foundation of your speaking confidence. Each time you repeat them, they become stronger in your mind. Each time you shadow them, your pronunciation becomes smoother. And each time you listen to slow English, your accent understanding improves. Fluency doesn't grow through pressure. It grows through routine, through repetition, through slow, consistent practice. Every single sentence you shadow today will return to you in your real conversations, at home, at school, at work, or anywhere you go. So don't rush. Repeat this video again tomorrow. Practice slowly next week. Shadow every line until it feels natural. Here on English Practice Beginners, we create lessons that are simple, calm, and extremely beginner-friendly. Our goal is not to overwhelm you. Our goal is to guide you, slowly, gently, and clearly, until English feels like a natural part of your day. Thank you for joining this session. Thank you for choosing slow, real practice. And remember, your routine shapes your fluency. Your habits shape your progress. Keep practicing daily, keep believing in yourself, and keep moving forward, one slow, confident sentence at a time. I'll see you in the next session. Until then, speak slowly, practice gently, and stay confident.